Hi everyone. I got a package yesterday. Right here. Look, it says fragile, handle with care. But anyway, I got this package and I haven't opened it yet. And I'm really excited to see what's inside. I have no clue. Something that came for me saying that it's from Arrowhead Promotions. So excited to see what's inside. So let's go. Let's see, let me go ahead and get it open here. Okay. Let's see what is in this box. Oh. It says Kraft macaroni and cheese. And then here is just some bubble wrap. So, let's see what's in this box that I got. Has a macaroni sticker right there and some bubbles. And it looks like it says this is pumpkin spice, and it shows right here steps to make it. Step 1, make your Kraft macaroni and cheese. How you make Kraft macaroni and cheese: mix in pumpkin spice flavor boost. Serve and enjoy a sprinkle of cinnamon on top. And it says hashtag pumpkin spice KMC. So it comes with this, which is a fork and a spoon, and it's made of plastic. And it comes with a pumpkin spice pack. And it looks like this is a regular box of Kraft macaroni and cheese. And last of all, in this bubble wrap, see, the box is empty, it's just full of bubble wrap now. Let's see what this one contains. I'm assuming it's the cup that they had said that you put it in. I guess that you make your macaroni and cheese in, which, yeah, it is. Looks like it's a ceramic cup, which says pumpkin spice Kraft macaroni and cheese. And inside of this cup, it has a lid, a silicone lid, which looks like you'd use for a drink. And this, it says double wall ceramic mug, eco-friendly. So it says I am not a plastic cup. So anyway, that is what I got. So interestingly enough, I was just really curious to know what was in the box, and that was it. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. Love you, bye.